Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at the Husqvarna 394 XP chainsaw, 94 cc's. This one features a new 24-inch bar and chain, sprocket nose, .050 gauge, chisel bit, skip sequence. You can see the spacing between the teeth. And we'll look at some of the features this saw has. Kill switch on left, choke is on the right, and on this one, when you trip the trigger, the choke goes in. Choke is out, and if you trip this trigger, watch that choke, goes in. So when you start this saw, you want to pull the choke out. Don't put your hand on the trigger. It's giving it a quarter throttle when you pull that choke out. And you push the choke back in, it still gives a quarter throttle, and when you trip the trigger, listen, you'll hear a little click. It's going down to an idle. Nice starting feature on this saw. Got the hand protector and foot pad. Real large, helps protect your hand when there's a chain throwing incident. Protects your hand and works as a foot pad. When you're starting this high compression engine, you want to put your foot in the pad there. Get a good grip on those wrap handlebars. And you start this on the ground. Easier to start that way. It does have a decompression valve right there. Blue button. Has the wrap handlebars. Large falling spikes. And to adjust the tension on this, loosen the two bar nuts up there. And right on the inside here, right in that area right there, is your tension screw. Very powerful, very big chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.